What's up, you freaky basement dwellers? Today we're going to be making mask accessories out of safety pins. Before we get into all the details, I just wanted to introduce you to a couple of the masks I have for sale in my Etsy shop at the moment. First off, we have Grumpy Cat Mask. He's actually very friendly. Don't let his looks deceive you. We also have this Decora mask. My friend Fawnlace made the eyes for me. It's super cute and would go good really for anybody who's into cute stuff, pinks and purples. I personally am. I'm really sad to see this one go, but I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to take this home. So, let's get started.
So first off, for the materials, I'm using an elastic bead cord. You can use any sort of thick thread though. You're going to need some safety pins. I prefer the larger ones, a small or medium-sized scissors, and of course some beads. I'm using light pastel ones. I got these all off of AliExpress. Also, you're going to need a hot glue gun to help the elastic cord stay in place. Make sure your hot glue gun is on low so you don't burn your fingers. Grab that biggest safety pin that you can. You could also use a small one like this, but I prefer the bigger ones as they pierce through the mask a little bit better. Here I am measuring out my elastic cord to the size I want. Add a couple of inches for the knots. You can always trim it down later, but it's harder to add more. Then just add your beads in the order that you want. So start by tying your first bead into place and then hot gluing the very end of it so that it doesn't budge. And you have the start of your string. So then you just have to add the beads that you prefer. You can do any order, pattern, whatever you want. You can use glass beads, I have plastic beads, I've seen wooden beads, bone beads, all sorts of cool stuff. Just for this one, I wanted it to be kind of decora and cute. So I'm going with these pastel plastics. When you're just about done, make sure you add a nice big bead or bow for the top and grab your safety pin. There'll be a little loop. That's the part I like putting it through so that it doesn't accidentally slide off of the safety pin. It'll stay nice and secure in here. Just like last time, when you're finished tying it, make sure to add a bit of hot glue. Then the last step is just to pin it to your mask. And that's it. This project is super simple, super quick, and super cheap. So I definitely recommend it if you're looking for an easy little project you can do by yourself or with friends. The material cost for me was less than $5, and I have enough supplies to make probably at least 10 accessories. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my Etsy at Tail Squared.